Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna take the Maverick QuantumRX Flux out for a little spin just to kill this 3S battery that I've been using on the speed runs for the TT Pro, or not TT Pro, my TT02 Tamiya. So let's just do a little street bashing. Good old fashioned get the car out, waste the battery so we can recharge it back up to full strength. Just a 3S run. This is a 4S car. Can be run on 4S. Car's a blast, guys. Nice rally car. Got a little bit of speed to it. 4S, it's just crazy. Yeah, she's a little wild. Just trying to kill the batteries there, guys. Have a little fun. Oh. There's a little wheelie right there. It hits that, pops up, hits it so hard. Oh, man, that was brutal. Didn't realize that thing was so bad. We've been doing speed runs out here, and man. That's pretty sweet. Alright guys, they're just running the battery down a little bit. So, a couple speed runs and messing around. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.